So this is a 23 spline stock 228 gear set attached to a Marlin Crawler MC07, and that is the rear unit, which houses a Marlin Crawler 47 unit 23 spline as well. The back half of my doubler setup. Front half, very minimal gear rock is what I'm going to call it, even less when it is inside its case and the front two bearings are being held in their spot. This one assembled and disassembled in the last, 3 times in the last 5 minutes. A lot more, and it's even worse when it's apart. And this is the inside of the 4.7 kit. And we'll hear the gear lash. A little higher pitched, a little louder.